Gonna do a little garden update. Planted a row of onions down through there today. That's the third row. I got a row right there. They're looking good. Got the zinnia growing right over there, but had to use the tom-tom today. Zinnia is looking good right there. Coming up good. Got some broccoli. A little bit of broccoli growing. Peppers, tomato plants. Got a few cucumbers down here. That's a pickling cucumber. It's supposed to be a small one. More pepper plants. Got them Platt Dutch cabbage in the ground. And another cabbage. I think it's a stone hedge. It's a smaller but good cabbage. Got 4 different kind of tomato plants growing. Dug the garlic. I'll show you what it looks like. It's in the barn, but sweet potatoes are looking good. The sweet potato slips, when you plant them, they'll lay down like they're going to die. They look just plumb horrible. But they'll bounce back, and they'll grow you a few sweet potatoes. Got one right there starting to run already. I planted 13. I've got 10. Well, maybe 11. This one here, this is what they'll look like. Looks like a little leaf on it, so we'll let it go. But more pepper plants. We even got a pepper on right here. A couple of them. All right. Let me say God bless to you. God bless America. We'll catch you in the next one.